Welcome everybody, Mr. Thrasha here. Welcome to the show, and we're gonna make our return today to the Big Apple, Cobourg, Ontario. Let's waste little time. Let's go check out this big beauty, this big mammoth-sized apple. Yes, one of Canada's greatest roadside attractions in the entire country. You got the apple orchards over here, and the Big Apple right here. And this time I can get him without his COVID mask. He doesn't care anymore. That mask nonsense is behind him. Look at him in all his glory. The Big Apple. He's glorious. Love that word, glorious. Look at his cute little smile. The sun is hiding behind the clouds. It's good I don't have to wear my sunglasses. What a beautiful apple. And there's so much behind the apple. I've shown this before, last year, but now he's got no mask, so that's cool. Got a big metal stem up there. Take you around back of the apple. There's all kinds of stuff. They show you how to make apple pie. Maybe we'll try to check that out. So much to see. This is we're gonna hang out here today. Let's go explore behind some glorious, gigantic red sphere. The Big Apple. It even smells like apple here, like big time. It's probably, they're serving beaver tails in here, as you see. They make apple pie. We gotta check that out, because I didn't show that last time. Oh, check it out. It's open in here. Here's something new. We're going into the buttocks of the Big Apple. Never seen this open. Big bears. The size of those bears. You get a better view up here. Look at that. Giant bear. Oh, I think it's an observation deck that was not open last time I was here. This is gonna be way better apple episode. Check out that, look at the size of that pie. This big bear's holding. Wow. So we can go up to the observation deck, going up these stairs. Observation deck, what it looks like from up there. So it appears they have opened their observation deck. Nobody else is up here right now, so maybe we should take this opportunity to head up so we can enjoy that. Look at that, these little bottles here. It's a bottle of Big Apple, Cobourg. Look at that, all kinds of apple facts all around here. You like them apples? I wonder what, I've never ever been up here. Wonder what we'll see. It doesn't think I don't hear anybody else. I didn't even see an observation deck when we were out there. We got one of these view things. Wow. We're right up here. On top of the Big Apple? Oh my God. Alright, this is what the apple sees. To kind of hold the camera right over the gate. Wow. Big Apple faces that way, out on the highway. Awesome, look at this. You're staring down the Big Apple. I feel safer in this cage. It's pretty windy up here. It's kind of freaky. Slightly unsettling. Be an all-around view. Okay, moment of quietness. Moment of quietness. Be an all-around shot. Windy elements. Orchards out there. take a look at everything you see. Look at everything you see out here. Wow. Let's take a look inside at what makes you grow so nutritious. So yeah, you got the foliage, of course, and your stem. Everybody knows that. Seed, everyone's well aware of the seed. And then the sprout is actually there. I get my, I wish I could say I get my apple a day. I used to eat them every day. I like the Honeycrisp apples. There's the apple head family. Rabbits are wild and may bite if handled. Please do not touch. All right, much to see here. I'm gonna head back down. Look at this thing approaching me. Look at this thing that approaches me. Hello. You the protector. Protecting this. Look at his droopy snout. Come here, Val. Come here. A little closer to Mr. Thrasha. This guy's just chilling, looking straight ahead at me. He's keeping guard of his buddy. Keeping guard of his buddy. Wow, look at the feather span on that. I've never really seen anything like that. Oh my god, that's a rare bird that is. I know, you want some food, eh? You want some food. More apples than you could shake a stick at. Look at this huge relic. Look at that. It's filled with maple peanut brittle. Oh man, that looks good. Maple peanut brittle. Not great for your teeth, but my teeth are really messed up anyway. Let's take it, alright? Get a little Big Apple souvenir. Or a Big Apple COVID mask. If you still think you should wear a mask, nothing wrong with that. Fresh apple cider. Oh, it's tempting. It's tempting, but I don't want to eat too many apples to make you gassy or give you the crap, especially when on the road, so I'm gonna pass on that. Ooh, sparkling apple raspberry cider. I'm a sucker for cider. I'm a sucker for cider, so I should move away from this department right now. Fantastic mixture of delicacies. Look at all these caramel apple tarts. Ooh, butter tarts, caramel apple tarts. Look at this. Grandma's favorite recipe. Oh dear. Vanilla caramel swirl cake. Oh, wow. Oh, the Big Apple. Oh, the baked goods department. They have the apple pie factory over here, right by the Big Apple store. This old wagon wheel here. Pretty cool. In here, we can watch them make some pie. Apple pie. There's a couple pies just waiting on the table there to the left. And the guy's grabbing maybe one of them right now. Packaging the pies, they're cooking the pies, packaging them, making them from scratch. They do it all right in there. The Apple Pie Factory and Bakery. It says up there, sold to date, 786,688 6-inch pies. 5,972,542 9-inch pies. Wow. I'll probably get another angle of what they're doing in here. Right by this wagon wheel to get another look into the pie making factory. The Big Apple Pie Factory and Bakery. Look at that. Whipping up those pies. That's right, sir. Getting you from all angles. Get them apples in the pie and get them in the oven. Make hay while the sun is shining. Speaking of which, let's get back out there while the sun is shining. Check out this futuristic chair right by the treat shop, which is another whole establishment over here next to the pie factory. Look at this. This whole chair is made of candy. Look at that. Look at that. LEDs and candy. Look at that. If your blood sugar drops, you want to be sitting in that chair. And you can just eat the chair. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Candy chair. Have you ever seen rockets that big? Over here in the crazy fun corner, the size of those sugars. Look at the size of those rocks. Look at that. Score pizza. Reese's pizza. Candy pizza. Look at that. Look at this. It's the Planters Mobile. Check that out. Planters Mobile. Also gonna bring you in here for a quick look at the Maple Shack over there. Yeah, nothing more Canadian than bottles and bottles of maple syrup. Any type of bottle your heart desires. Even in package form. They come in cans. Look at that. Some of them look like liquor bottles. Little mini jugs, bigger jugs. There's the cans I was telling you about. Some screaming children in there. Look at all this maple syrup. Wow. Makes you want pancakes looking at this stuff. It really makes you want pancakes. Just get a little one, test it out perhaps. Lots of delicacies being made here. Sweet shops. Any type of sweet you can imagine. This gigantic bear. Besides that, holy cow. Yeah, you're gonna come over to say hi to the camera? Thank you. My audience will appreciate that. Good day at the Big Apple. Enjoying the weather? Yeah, they should have put out some food here for you. As long as you're enjoying the weather. All right. You ever tried any of the apple pie they got in there? Any good? Big apples like to touch. Yeah, they got a merry-go-round over here. They got like a whole mini putt set up here, which is free. You don't even have to pay to do the mini putt. You just grab a club, you come down here with your family. What I want to see though is over here, this little mining company set up. I was fascinated by things like that. The kid almost got a hole-in-one. Big Apple just over there. Look at this old relic. Love these old farm tractors. Nice doggy over here. That cool antique tractor there. I like this mining company thing over here. Check it out. Water flows all the way down. Remember this last time I was here. It's coming from up here. The Big Apple Mining Company. Pretty sweet. It comes out of there. Flowing down all those wooden steps into the stream. There's an apple tree here. Fitting, right? Fitting. Look at that. Look at the water flowing down. Water careening down out of this wooden slot into the nice river. The water takes a journey. The water is taking a journey. Over to the mining supply store. Not open right now. It's a pretty lengthy golf course actually they got here. It's pretty cool. So it's a pretty decent setup, especially for free. Look at this old Mercury fire truck. I showed this last time I was here. Love it. The old Mercury and the police patrol. The Eureka Police. Get another shot of that police vehicle from the other side. Look at that. Graham Brothers. Detroit. Eureka Police. Look at this. That cage is slightly off here. Oh, I can actually walk right in here. That's pretty cool. actually get in. Wow, look at that. It's an old police van from years and years and years ago. Look at that. This is an old bench. Wow, look at that. Stepping in here. Doesn't say do not enter. Wow, very cool. I don't believe this would be locked if they didn't want to, or wouldn't be locked. I guess the back is locked, but we saw it in there anyway. There's the fire truck from the back. One of the compartments is open. Look at these. Don't worry, Kramer's got the caboose. Reminds me of that Seinfeld episode. The old Mercury. Old siren on there. Wow, look at that. You look inside there. Outside right here, where they have the little train set up, they got these interesting tables. If you want to dine, they do have fish and chips and all that here. Look at this. Giant bottle cap table. Craft brew. Lively Low Glory Lager. Look at that. Giant bottle cap table. It's like an actual bottle cap. And these are bottle cap chairs. Those are pretty cool. And a few sets of those. Directly behind the Big Apple, find this pretty cool train. But you can go inside and check it out. Look at that. Super cool. Hello, friend. I got something for you. Alright, got some food for him. Come here, buddy. Here. Here. I'm gonna throw this in for you, okay? Here you go. Go to it. No, 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 go to it. You go to it. Come on. Oh, he's ignoring me. Let's try giving this another try here. Got some more. Oh, it kind of blows away in the wind. You eat a very fine food. Come here. I got lunch for you. That's it. Come on over. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Here, buddy. Did you eat already today? He ate lunch already. A wild-looking bird. Have a snacky. That's it. Have a pop. Take a pop. Take a pop. It's on me. Having some lunch. You see the alpaca, the llama. Good friends of one another. They're both enjoying some hay. One inside the barn there, and opposite the hay feeder. Hello. Good llama. Yep. Let's see what you're up to. No, I don't got any food on me. There's none on the fence. The hay is where it's at. The hay is where it's at. See a peacock heading my way, straight ahead. Look at him. Beautiful exotic color. Enjoying the breeze. He's just having a little nibble in front of his hut. Back up into the hut he goes. Time for a nap. This should taste quite nice. I made myself an apple pie coffee. Apple pie flavored coffee. Black. It's good. Ooh, it smells very nice. It smells really good. Ooh, that's a delicious aroma. Apple pie flavored coffee. Wow. Cool display here. It's a really cool looking truck. Apples. Ontario Orchard. 401 Brewery. Very nice setup. Over here, it's a giant camera up in a photo booth. Look at the size of that. Hello, little friends. Aw, you're an adorable little fella. Both he is. Good day, ponies. How are you doing? You're beautiful. How are you doing there, pony? Having a good day. Just getting a little sun, eh? Hey, buddy. How you doing? Just being a pony. Just being a pony. Nice little peacocks here, too. Little babies, little baby peacocks. Oh, look at the lambs. One's having a little sleep right in the hay. This one's coming around and giving himself some lunch. Oh, the good lambs. Move over. Too slow. Come on, there's plenty of hay for everybody. Hey, hey, hey. How you doing, friend? Doing good. Doing good. Doing good. That's gonna do it today from the Big Apple and Cobourg, Ontario. Cobourg, Ontario, here in Canada. Beautiful apple orchards. And the beautiful, majestic Big Apple. Please like, please subscribe, and check out my other videos. I did another video on the Big Apple back when I had a COVID mask last year, but we covered a lot more in today's episode, so that's pretty cool. Much fun. I always have a good time here at the Big Apple. It's all free. Bring the family down, check it out. Please like, please subscribe. If you're new here, let you know when a new episode goes up. And you never know what you may be missing. You never know what we're gonna be doing here on the Mr. Thrasha Show. Thanks again, everybody. From the Big Apple.